Kia ora koutou, my name's Lydia and I'm the founder and project manager of Manta Watch Aotearoa, New Zealand.
I've worked on all manner of species, and I have to say that mantas still rank as my favorite of all marine species. A large part of that does have to do with their intelligence.
They've got the largest brain of any fish, and that's always a big thing that kind of hits home to me, and you really see that in how they interact with humans, but then also how they interact with each other.
In most parts of the world where we have oceanic mantas, they're really in bad shape. Their populations are declining drastically, either through targeted hunting and especially through bycatch fisheries.
Despite being fully protected in New Zealand waters since 2011 under the Wildlife Act, the biggest threat to Aotearoa's oceanic manta rays is lack of data. We simply don't know enough about this lesser-known population to provide adequate protection or establish long-term conservation management. Citizen scientists really focus and drive our research. Everybody's data is just crucial. It helps us build a picture of where these animals are and when. Some key things that we're wanting to find out: are these guys resident to New Zealand? Are they breeding here? If they migrate, where do they migrate to? And also how they're using our waterways. We now have over 100 IDs, getting on to 120. We've satellite tagged 18 individuals so far. Some of those are heavily pregnant females. We're tracking them all the way into the wider Pacific. So we have some really cool connectivity there.
Oceanic mantas are world record holders, so they travel further, dive deeper, and dive into colder waters than any other mantas have ever been shown to do.
Some things that we're really wanting to focus on is upgrading the conservation status of oceanics in New Zealand waters. And so really honing in on them breeding and how they're using our waters will help us to be able to do that. The more data we can collect, the quicker and easier it will be to inform change through long-term conservation management. This will enable greater protection for this globally endangered species, not only in Aotearoa, but through its entire population range. We have made a fantastic start, but the reality is we are a small, independent research project, and we need your help. Through your support, you will enable Manta Watch to build project capacity, giving us the ability to upskill and upscale our research, education and outreach programs, as well as purchase vital field equipment and cover ongoing project costs, in and out of the water. Ultimately, your support will provide Manta Watch with the opportunity to become more financially resilient so that we can make the biggest impact possible, fully focusing on what we do best: manta ray research and conservation in Aotearoa, New Zealand.